Hey y'all, it's Lauren here. So today we're going to be doing a clean and undecorate with me. So I'm getting started in the kitchen. In our house, the kitchen is the heart of the home. So I'm cleaning up in here, just making sure I'm starting off on a fresh slate. The idea is to have the house cleaned, all fall decorations taken down. That way when it's time for Christmas decorations to go up, I can start off with a clean slate, fresh ideas, the whole shebang. So this video was recorded about a week and a half before Thanksgiving. And one of the reasons I was kind of doing this is because my son, he hates for Christmas decorations to be up before Thanksgiving. I used to be like that as well, but he's like gung-ho. He does not want a single ounce of Christmas decorations around. So this is kind of tiding me over, just getting me into the groove of, getting started for Christmas decorations. So it's kind of like a compromise. We did have pretty much no decorations. I had a Christmas tree in my office, which I'll show y'all in another video. And then we had a blow up, like inflatable thing in the front yard, but that was pretty much it, not too much. So in continuing with cleaning up the kitchen, I'm just putting up my recipe box. That box is actually really special to me. My grandmother made it for me, and she put all her recipes in there, and I love and cherish that box. Now I'm just going through and disinfecting the countertops with this inside. I don't know where it came from. That was actually purchased by my husband's father, my father-in-law. So I don't know where it came from, but I'm pretty sure it probably came from like Home Depot or Lowe's. But it actually smells really good. The bottle doesn't look like it, but it actually smells pretty good. Now I'm just going through and spraying the stove, cleaning that off really good, just getting it nice and clean. Okay, so one of the things I like the least is putting away the dishes. I do like to hand wash my dishes just so I can make sure they're clean. I usually don't use the dishwasher unless I'm like overwhelmed with dishes or just extremely tired and it needed to get done. But for the most part, I rarely use that dishwasher, so I mostly wash by hand or by child. But I just am sitting here watching this video playback and I'm just like, I wish I could dry as fast as this video is going. That'd be awesome. So on this particular night, it was actually a perfect night to do this because my husband had to go pick up someone from the airport. So he was gone for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours doing that. The kids were already asleep. So I had the whole bottom floor to myself just to, clean and take down all the decorations and take my time pretty much, not feel so rushed, which was nice. So let me tell you all about this island. This island and I have a love-hate relationship. I love the color, I love the design of it, the curvature, I love how big it is. all of that. But I hate the white part that shows everything. So I love it, but the best part is when I'm done cleaning, I know it's done. Like once this is clean, it's clean. So here I'm just showing you my pillow that my children tore up. Like the pillow's gone. So I did get new pillowcases. I'll show y'all that when they come in the mail. But yeah, I'm just starting off next going to the living room, just cleaning that up. The blankets don't really match. Haven't really came up with my color scheme just yet, but they're blankets, they work, so I'm keeping them. This is a spray that my mom got me a few years back, and it smells really good. So I'm just spraying that on the couch just to, give the couch that fall scent one last time. Now moving on to our dining room area, just cleaning this off, cleaning off the table. I'm gonna wash that runner and put it up in the fall decor. But just, cleaning off the table. This table my aunt got for me from, I believe, West Elm. She got it for $13, y'all. Funny story, I'll tell y'all another time, but this table has stood through everything. Like everything my family could put it through, it has gone through it. So I do make it a habit to vacuum, if not every night, at least every other night, or majority nights of the week. I vacuum the floors just to get all the hair up, mostly dog hair. So I'm just vacuuming the main spaces here. This vacuum works really good. If I can remember where I got it from, or find a link for it, I will put that in the description box. But it works really well. The only thing is it has a small canister, so it doesn't hold a lot. But for the most part, it gets my whole bottom floor. I don't know our square footage down there, but it gets our whole bottom floor and usually doesn't fill up with just that. So if that helps at all, that's what I use. So I'm starting off in the entryway, just taking apart this entryway table. All the fall decorations are going in the bucket. And so I'm just taking off that runner. Y'all keep in mind, as you see different parts of the house, nothing is pretty much set in stone. Like the major pieces are, but I'm trying to take things slow with decorating. I don't want to continue to buy stuff and then not like it a month later. So I'm trying to, actually think about it, take my time, not rush. But that's what I'm doing here. So I do want like a really big statement piece at that front entrance, but I want to find the right one and I want to get it at the right time. So everything is going in slow motion, but it's also a calculated purchase. This is my office that I'm taking apart now. Just folded up that blanket and my fall pillow, and I'm going to put that in the bucket as well. So this is where I'm keeping all my fall stuff. Well, this is where I'm gathering it at least. So now I'm in the dining room and I'm taking apart this tiered tray and all the decorations that are on this like buffet table. It's really just a table, but we're using it as a buffet table. So just putting all that together, and then those bales of hay shed a lot of, like, I don't know what that's called, but it shed a lot. So I'm just vacuuming all that up, and it got on the floor and everything, which is fine. I'm just picking all that up right now, and I'm just trying to clear off all the fall stuff. Okay, so now we're on to my second favorite part of the house, which is the living room. I don't get to spend very much time in here, but it still is a great space. It's so cozy and warm and just so comfortable. That fireplace was well worth the upgrade. And speaking of upgrades, if you haven't checked out my house tour video, please go check that one out. It was posted just before this one, and it's a completely empty house tour right before moving in. So now I'm just taking all my decor from the living room, moving it into the dining room, just, one central place, and it just makes it so much easier to pack all the stuff up. It's a little bittersweet taking everything apart because I do love fall, but it's well worth it, just going through all the seasons and coming right back to fall. Now this is why kitchen has to be my favorite place, because of the coffee bar. I can't live without coffee. But here I am just taking everything apart. This Simply Blessed box I was using to store all of my stuff, my different things. I didn't know if I wanted to take it down or not, but I winded up keeping it up there for a little bit, and then when I put up my Christmas decor, I did move it. So I'm just going through, taking everything apart. Y'all, what do you think about the bananas on the counter? The bananas kind of bother me, and I'm kind of to the point where I just want to say, no more bananas in the house. And here's this wreath. I've never done this before. We've had space on top of the stove for a wreath, and I saw it somewhere and I tried it, and I actually really, really like it. And that's actually a candle wreath. It goes on a tabletop and you put the candle inside of it, but I just used it as a wreath instead, which I really liked it, and it was cheap. So these are all styrofoam pumpkins. I'm taking those out and the leaves and separating them. This blue candle, I really love that. I got it from Target for $5-10, and it smells great, and I've only burned a third of it, and it smells amazing. The dough bowl I'm keeping there for the next season, and now I'm just putting everything in the boxes. I was a little bit ratchet putting stuff in. That's a My Pillow box, I think. And I was putting stuff in there, but now we've upgraded to a Sterilite box, which is nice. And there's my puppies helping me. That's Bruno the boxer and Panda. She's a mix. We just got Bruno this past February, so he's about to turn 1 year old in December. We said his birthday is December 24th, so we just chose something. But yeah, so I'm just putting everything in these boxes, and then I'm gonna scoot them all together, and then my hubby's gonna have to put the boxes up in storage. I just wanted to come on after the video, after editing this video, and just say a few words. Mainly this year has been extremely hard. It's been difficult for a lot of people, and just it's hit everyone differently. That's the best way for me to put it. The reason I wanted to come on here is really just to say that, and also as you watch videos, because this is something that I personally experience myself. I'll see someone with an amazing home, fully decorated, just top to bottom, just what I want in their home. And if it helps at all, I just want to say, don't feel like you have to have your home like someone else's. This year, we moved into our home last year, and we moved in October, so that was right before the holidays. We didn't have very much, and I was kind of rushing to get everything, curtains, blinds, beds, rugs, all the stuff that we needed. And it was I'm not going to decorate. Last year, I'm not going to go out and buy a whole bunch of stuff. Well, I was next year I'm going to do it. I'm going to get all the stuff and make my house look a certain way. And then here comes this year, and COVID and uncertainty, and also emotions, all different types of emotions attached to that. So I just wanted to say,
as you watch people's videos, maybe not even mine. I wanted to just share what I have, which I feel like is very minimal. I don't think that is over the top. It's stuff that I've had for years and years and years, and just, added things here and there. I am going to be doing a decorate with me for fall, my type of version. I did the best I could, just trying to capture all the different areas of the home, but some of this stuff was frustrating. Anyways, so I wanted to share that decorating in a not so perfect way, if you will. So this is going to be things that I've had over the past 10, 12 years. I probably have purchased maybe 10 things this year. And I just want to show, me decorating with just what I have. I don't have to go out and buy stuff. That's not even what the season's about. As long as I'm able to give to other people, that's what the season's about for me. And so I just wanted to share that. So I wanted to make sure that I said at the end of the video, in case anyone gets the feeling that they have to go out and buy this stuff, just know you're not alone. I struggle with it every day, every single day. YouTube is my main source of entertainment. I love cleaning videos, decorating videos, empty house tours. I love all of that. And I see things that I want from other people's videos, and it's a battle not to feel like I have to go out and get it, or I need it, or this or that. So I just wanted to share, you're not alone. If you feel that way, you're not alone. I feel the way too. And you don't have to go out and get those things. Of course, if you want them, then definitely go get them. But don't feel like you have to do it because that's what someone else's video portrays as, that's for them. What do you feel like you want for your home? That's what you should go after. So anyways, I just wanted to share that. If it's helpful for anybody, then it's out there. But if it's not, then just disregard this message. Anyways, go check out my empty house tour. I posted that already just before this video. I'm going to be doing another house tour probably in the next couple of weeks, just a 1-year update, and then also a decorate with me for Christmas. All right, see you guys later. Bye.